Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Whether you are a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, we all know the importance of recovery after a grueling workout. Today, I am diving into how antioxidants can seriously boost your post-workout recovery and get you back to feeling your best in no time. First off, let's talk about recovery. It's that crucial period when your body heals and strengthens itself after the stress of exercise. After a tough workout, your muscles are screaming for help. They need to repair and rebuild. This is when your body is most vulnerable to damage and soreness. That's where antioxidants come in. These powerful compounds can make a significant difference in how quickly and effectively your body recovers. They help your body neutralize those nasty free radicals and reduce inflammation caused by intense exercise. This means less pain and faster recovery times. Now you might be wondering, what the heck are free radicals, and why should you care about them? Well, during an intense workout, your body generates these unstable molecules called free radicals. They are a natural byproduct of energy production. They can damage your cells and slow down your muscle recovery. This cellular damage is what leads to that dreaded post-workout soreness. This is known as oxidative stress. It's a state where the balance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body is disrupted, and guys, trust me, we don't want that. Oxidative stress can lead to prolonged recovery times and even chronic inflammation if not managed properly. Let's start with vitamin C. This essential nutrient is not just for keeping colds at bay. This powerhouse vitamin is fantastic for tissue repair. It plays a vital role in the growth and repair of tissues throughout your body. It promotes collagen synthesis, which is crucial for rebuilding muscle fibers. Collagen is the main structural protein in your muscles. Plus, it reduces oxidative damage, helping you bounce back quicker. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are awesome sources. Incorporating these into your diet can give you a significant boost. Next up, vitamin E. This vitamin is your go-to for reducing inflammation. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage post-workout. Your muscles can get pretty inflamed, making you sore and stiff. This is where vitamin E steps in to help. Vitamin E helps soothe those muscles and improves your flexibility. Stretching and proper nutrition can enhance its effects. Think almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds. These foods are rich in vitamin E and can be easily added to your meals or snacks. And then there's glutathione. This one's a real game changer. It's often referred to as the master antioxidant because of its powerful effects. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify your cells, reducing oxidative damage and speeding up recovery. It also supports your immune system. Your body actually produces glutathione, but you can boost it with supplements or foods like avocados, asparagus, and whey protein. So here's the deal. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and supplements into your post-workout routine can make a huge difference. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal. Faster recovery, less soreness, and you'll be back to crushing your workouts in no time. Imagine feeling refreshed and ready to tackle your next session with full energy. Remember, antioxidants are a piece of the puzzle. They work best alongside proper nutrition and stretching, so keep your diet balanced and your recovery routine solid. This holistic approach will ensure you get the most out of your workouts. Plan. Your meals include a variety of antioxidant-rich foods, and don't forget to stretch. Your body will thank you. All right, that's it for today, folks. I hope you found these tips helpful. Add some antioxidants to your routine and watch your recovery times improve. It's a small change that can lead to big results. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep pushing those limits. Catch you next time. Keep up the great work, and remember, your recovery is just as important as your workout.